Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you the first class that I will have available for December. As you can see, this class is featuring the Wishing You Well stamp set, and this one is available out of the holiday catalog. What I love about this stamp set is that not only can you use it for holiday cards, like using the sentiments and season's greetings, but you can also use this stamp set throughout the whole year. Look at those sentiments: sending you our thoughts and prayers, wishing you well, just a note. Again, those are sentiments that you're going to be using throughout the whole year. So I love that about this stamp set a lot. Now, as you can see, I don't have any Christmas cards on this ones, mainly because of timing. By the time I ship this one, it will be too late to be doing Christmas cards. But I also wanted to make sure you have a set that goes well for all year round. So let me just tell you, as usual, what are the 4 options that we have for this card class. So for the first option, which is the one that includes everything, gets the stamp set. You also get Wink of Stella, your very own Wink of Stella. And if you know me, you know that I love using Wink of Stella. I think that 90% of my cards use this, so this is a great tool to have. You also get stamping blend, and this one is the Dark Night of Navy, because I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be using it to color some of the rhinestones. So you get also your pack of rhinestones for this class. So the other thing is you get the make and take to get all 6 cards. As you can see, there's 6 cards on this class. There's 2 that has a foam fold, and you get all the video tutorials. I do video tutorials because I think you get the best value out of that. I can teach you, or I can show you more tips and tricks on how to make them. And I can also share some other crafting tips. For instance, in this one, I go over fussy cutting, how to use the Wink of Stella, how to color rhinestones. So I think that you get the most value out of video tutorials because I can explain more as I go through the videos. So again, the option 1 is the one that includes everything, and that option is $60, and there's also a shipping fee of $8. Option 2 is for those of you who might already have these stamp sets. So if you already have this stamp set, then the option 2 is perfect for you. Option 2 is the one that has the rhinestones, the Wink of Stella, and the stamping blend, and you'll get the make and take packet as well as the video tutorials, and that option is $41, and there's also a shipping fee of $8. Now, if you're local to me, option 1 and option 2 have an option for pickup. Now, if you pick it up, I am in Frisco, Texas, I can waive that $8 fee. But if you're not local to me, then I'll have to mail those to you, and I'll mail those priority, so you have so I have a tracking, so I can follow up as to where it is. And anyway, so just want to make sure you knew that. The third option is for those of you who already have all the tools and you want to do all the cutting, so it's only for the video tutorials, and that option is $20. So option 3 is the video tutorial only option, and then option 4 is for my team. So mainly they can get the make and take packet at a discount, and that's $15. And I don't send any of these items because they can get all these items with their own discount. When you become a demonstrator, you get a 20% of all your purchases, so they can get all of these at a discount. So it's only for the make and take packets, and again, this is for them $15. Now, let me just go over the deadlines as to when to register. This class sign up, or the deadline to sign up, is December 12th, and it will be mailed around December 22nd. That way I can place the order with the Stampin' Up, and I can prep all the packets and mail to you around that date. So make sure to sign up for this class. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Like I said, I love all the different images on these, and I think that those sentiments are just perfect for all year round. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in our class. Thanks. Bye.